Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do our minis and our monthlies. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going to take our $15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're going to put it in our little bank. All right, so we put our $15 in our bank. We have our $15 in prop coins, and we're going to roll the die and see. I got a 3-sided die, and we're going to see how many each envelope gets. And I always forget that when I do this, I need to move my dice tower to the other side. I am right-handed, so for this, it's just easier for me to put it there. Do I have 11? Oh, I don't even have a 10. I should probably take those out. And I don't have a 9. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Let's go back to the front. Start all over again. Okay. How has everybody's week been going? Ours is pretty good. My daughter has her cheerleading football game today, so I'm excited for that. I know she just loves it, so I know last week we talked about starting a sinking fund for their school activities. I haven't done that yet, but I didn't forget. I do my large challenges once a month, so, and we can rearrange the sinking funds, of course, whenever we need to. So I wouldn't have anything to put in it right now anyways, but we did not forget. How do you guys like to save for school things if you guys have kids in school or you're in school yourself? I know for next year we're gonna have to do start saving for that soon. I think once we get Christmas done, I'm gonna start a like back to school binder, maybe something like that. All right, that's 3. So that way we have plenty of money for school supplies and clothes and shoes. And then we got to go and get her some new hair bows. Because, you know, cheerleaders they gotta have their hair bows. All right, so we ended on number 6. So I'm going to move my paperclip to number 7. And then we live in the South, so football is life. So there's that as well. All right, so we have 50, $1, $1.50, $2, and $2.50. So that's $1 and $1 and 50 cents. Oh, we finished that one. Heck yeah. All right, so this is gonna be $1, $2, $3, and $4. Right off the bat, we finished a challenge. Let me see. All right, so this one is going to be budgeting with Lisa, and each one of these will be 50 cents. So it will save us $1, $2, $3, $3. And challenge number 2 is from my Ko-fi shop. We just need 50 cents to finish this one. Or no, $1. I apologize. Well, we got the $1. And we got $2, $2.25. So we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Fantastic. No. Okay, it's just $1. So we have an additional All right, so this one is budgeting with Kim. This is the 4th of July challenge, but that's just the first one I found. That one's going to be 50 cents as well. So we have 1, 2, and then 1. Perfect. All right, and then challenge number 3 is one from my Etsy. Okay, so we got, let's get that 25 cents to finish that one up. And then we just needed $1 to finish. Perfect. And this one is 1, 2, 3, and $4. And we need another challenge. I should literally be a little bit more prepared when we are in these. All right, here's another one from that set. We're going 50 cents. And cross her off. All right, and challenge number 4. We have budgeting with Lisa, 4th of July challenge. But if you're like me, you know, I have tons and tons of minis and tinies, and I just love them all. And I can never decide, and I love chickens. So there's that. All right, so we have $1. So we'll get 2 squares and then another $1, and that finishes her up. So that is $3. Add that to the pile. Let's see if we can find something other than 4th of July. Let's see. Oh, okay. This one is Norella's Budgets, and we will do 50 cents. And we have 50 cents left over. Perfect. And then challenge number 5. We have Eva at Budget Your Life. This one got $1.25. So we can cross off 2 50s and then half. And that one will probably be in here a minute because that one saves $12. But I love these minis. How do you guys feel about minis or tinies or whatever you want to call them? I love them because they are easy wins. Okay, so this one is 50 cents, so it needed $1.50. We have $1 and then 50. And that is $1, 2, 3, $4. And I like minis too because it feels like we are always finishing a couple at least at one time. All right, and this one is also from Norella's Budgets. We will do 50 cents again because... Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, dang it. Okay, we're just going to say no. Hopefully I'll remember. Hopefully I'll remember. Got a little carried away there. All right, and challenge number 7 is from Budget Your Life. This one is not a freebie. This one was from her website. We have $1.25. So we can finish this one, but that one still needs, well, we're going to need a quarter for that one. So I'm going to leave that in there. So what I normally do if we have rollover, I just put it in the front of the envelope. All right, and challenge number 8 is another one of my challenges. All right, so we got $1.50. So we have 50, $1, and then 50. Perfect. So that one just needs $1.25 to finish her up, and I think that was it. Yes. Okay, so let's add these up. Where's my calculator? Okay. So we got 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It's $20. Perfect.
Major class.
Oh, thank you. All right, so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 20. All right. And that will do it for our tinies. Let me get these cleaned up. Let's see, we'll get that. It's over here. It's down there. Another one? Oh my god, what is he barking at?
And this is the inside.
Okay.
It's the inside. It's a thumb for you, Mommy. So, Mommy, if you want to watch something on your phone, Mommy, if you want to watch something on your phone, you press the green button, you press the pink button, you press the orange button.
Oh, okay.
This green button, then this pink button, then this orange button. If you press this orange button, it will make you go on PBS Kids.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Cause I can play games too.
Oh, all right, cool. Thank you. Love you.
Love you, bye.
Bye. All right, so we are back with our monthly savings challenges, and we should have $50 here. So it's 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we don't have too many left in here for September. I am starting to collect some Octobers, so that way we can get a jump start on that. So we have, let's do the 9. Let's do 9. So let's see if we have a 1. And we'll take a 10. So that way we just have 4 more left in our monthly savings challenge from Allie Bear Budgets. I am doing it more of a low income way where I just add the 2 numbers together. And then if we come back around to this one, I'll do that 4. All right, and this one is from Kimmy's Corner. We didn't put anything in this one last week. Let's see what we got. We were all done with the 3s, and we're almost done with the 2s. So let's do $5. We're gonna go big on that one. All right, so we got 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this one saves us $84. So far we have all right, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, and 76, since we are almost done with that one. All right, and this one is from Anna Banana Budgets, or Dawn, from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. I don't remember what Anna rolled the last time, so I'm just going to go ahead and roll a d6 and see what we got. 3. Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So far, this has saved us 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And I will tell you, Anna, you have more of a patience and perseverance than I do, because I probably would have given up on that Tamagotchi. When they first came out, I did buy more. I did buy them, and then, yeah, the batteries are all dead, and they're all, who knows where now. All right, so this one is from Enchanted Toadstool Budgets. We roll a 4-sided die. All right, we got a 4. And we'll go one more time. And a 2. So that is $6. And so far we have 5 or 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then we'll put that back and get to 10. Perfect. All right, and then this next one we have from Eva a Budget Your Life. We're gonna go ahead and do a 6-sided die. And we got a 3. And one more. And a 3. Perfect. And we got $6 going in. And we have saved 10, 15, 20, 21. Perfect. All right, and this one is from Budget with Carly. We're going to put 5 in to try to knock out all those 5s. All right, and then out of 75, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Scientist paper with the marker.
There you go.
What's that say?
That's my signature.
You didn't give it.
No, it's not.
I cannot read that.
That's okay.
Is that fancy?
I guess if you want to call it cursive fancy. All right, and so for our next challenge, we have Budget with Carly. We're going to save $6. This one is going to save us $100 plus.
300?
No, just $100. And so far, we have 25, 26, and 27. I like to try to knock out those big numbers first. All right, and we have a couple more dollars. So we're going to go ahead and finish this one out with 1, 2, 3, and 4.
What else?
And then let's see. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see, we might be able to finish this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ooh, almost. That one just needs $2. We'll be able to finish that one next week for sure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So I wrote down all the numbers you said. So 106. And I added my name and how.
All right, and so we have finished one set of challenges for our
video.
minis or tinies. We'll put our dollar
Back
in. We got our dollar. And
I'm gonna write your name, Mommy.
all right. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.